Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and alright, we're gonna do, I didn't know when we'd get to it, but the next video after this, I thought it reminded me, so I thought we'd dig into it. So alright, deep diving into generators. So alright, let's just do some time comparisons. So alright, if you are new here and you have not seen episode 164, what we did was we timed list comprehension compared to a for loop. So now, and here's the code for that. I will put this in the description. So now, what this did, make sure I copied everything. So okay, those are the two times. The first one is list comprehension, and the second is two for loops. So all right, now last video, no, we'll do that. We'll do this next. So now let's do this as a generator. So okay. So now here's, I can copy that. So now these are generators. So also, if you have not seen a generator video, go back and check this out. So look how ridiculously fast this generator is made. Now, also last video, we looked at get size of from sys import get size of as get ooh, I need to change these names. So okay. So alright. Actually, let's just do this for the last one. So that's 48 bytes. So here, let's add this right here. So we have from sys import get, so you can see get size of as get. Print get x print, and that's also x, get x, close that out, and then let's do one last one, print, and that's also x, get x. So let's run this, and let's see where I made a mistake. That's why it's acting weird. Okay, so the first one, and lo and behold, this is what we expected. So these two are the same size because they're the exact same list. But now as a generator, much smaller, much faster. And now I've been always hesitant to how deep to go into this. So all right, these are basically internal documents that Python community that builds all these awesome tools for us. These are the rules of how a generator works. So we know that it is a yield. We learn that that is the difference between a generator and a function, a return function. So all right, the general rule is the generator doesn't execute until it has to. That's why they take up so little space. Because basically, this is how I want you to think about it. It hasn't happened yet. Okay? So I wanted you to see this and begin to dabble and know where to look. And just a little bit, I'll dribble this stuff in because I don't want to overwhelm you. I want you to know how to use it before we get too crazy deep in. But the reason why this is so much faster and so much smaller is it's not done. That's the way I want you to think about it. So if you have to do it's only going to execute when it has to. So that's what I want your takeaway to be. And if you're interested, this is PEP 255 in the python.org. So there we go. I was hesitant to do this. I knew we were going to do it. I just didn't know when we were going to do it. So there we go. And this is how deep, this is a pretty deep dive. And then here is the creators' comments on how they came to be. So I just wanted to share a little bit more. I know this isn't basic anymore, but I knew we'd start venturing out, and this is kind of droned on a little bit more. So, all right, give me some feedback, yay or nay, on this. Too deep, too much, or hey, right time, right place. So, all right. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification bell. And if this is the type of video, hit that like button for me. And please don't hesitate to leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below. So thanks again, guys, and stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye.